The Culver Folding Mobility Scooter 3-wheel is a marvel, folding in just 3 seconds and weighing only 49.6 pounds. When charged, its 48-volt lithium battery and 500W motor offer a 15 kilometers range. With 8-inch wheels and superior shock absorption, it promises a smooth ride. Safety features include a dual brake system and the ability to climb 9-degree inclines. It boasts a broad footrest, rear basket, and lavish captain's seat with armrests. Maneuvering is effortless with the reverse gear, and it supports up to 280 pounds, offering both freedom and comfort. The Early Rider SuperVilio is an innovative bike designed for children aged 10 to 24 months, representing a significant advancement in early childhood development. According to its creators, the SuperVilio enhances balance and coordination in young children. It features an adjustable seat, a 15mm foam layer, and a low seating position, ensuring comfort while allowing children to explore their surroundings confidently. Weighing just under 3 kilograms, this lightweight bike is much easier to handle than a stroller, providing a practical and enjoyable alternative for parents and toddlers alike, priced at $200. Expedition rack tank cars like the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 go perfectly with an expedition rack, much like sushi pairs with soy sauce. Manufacturers often delight car owners with stylish and functional systems. For instance, BS Engineering has designed a rack made from aluminum tubes with a 2.5mm wall thickness, reinforced with steel mesh, and capable of holding up to 100 kilograms. This rack, designed for the Suzuki Jimny, also doubles as a light bar. There are various cargo accessories available on the market, including ladders, mounts, and roller beds. For many, it's the combination of durability and versatility that makes a roof rack essential for adventure enthusiasts. The Gude RFP Garden Machine is a versatile pump designed for tasks, such as extracting water from barrels or draining swimming pools. With an impressive pumping capacity of up to 1,500 liters per hour, it is efficient for both residential and light commercial use. One of its key features is its battery-powered operation, eliminating the hassle of dealing with cords. The pump also includes a telescoping handle that extends the immersion depth to a meter, allowing easy access to water in deeper containers. Additionally, it is equipped with an automatic shut-off feature that activates when there is no more water, preventing damage to the pump. The AV4 Sport Swim Spa is a game-changer for pool retailers in the Asia-Pacific and Middle East regions, responding to the rising demand for luxury homes. This innovative system features a protective shell with artificial grass concealing a spa that caters to diverse preferences. The Summit model, for instance, accommodates up to 7 individuals and offers both Japanese shiatsu and Swedish massages. Despite its lavish amenities, it remains practical, weighing approximately half a ton when empty and requiring 1,779 liters of water to fill, equivalent to about 22 loads of laundry or 1,775-minute showers. This makes it an enticing option for those seeking a blend of luxury and efficiency. The TRAILANDER Shuttle Rescue is a specialized sled designed for winter patient evacuations and emergency medical assistance. It features wide plastic skis and an innovative suspension system for smooth gliding over various surfaces. Equipped with modern electrics, it includes medical equipment connections, mobile device charging ports, energy-efficient LED lights, and a 12-volt battery. Standard features also include a diesel waste heater, rear and brake lights, a suspension frame, and a snowmobile connection wire. The sled's rear door opens sideways for easy access, and it comes with a medic chair and stretcher, enhancing efficiency and safety in winter rescue operations. The Veemo SE Southeast Consumer Edition, featuring the Eno powertrain system, is a unique pedal electric vehicle born from years of scientific research. This innovative mobile combines functionality and elegance, offering a zero-emission way to travel that's ideal for commuting or running errands. It provides a full power riding mode for an enjoyable experience, with 60 liters of built-in storage and commendable battery life. The Veemo Southeast allows commuters to exercise on their way home while staying dry and refreshed. Embrace this eco-friendly mode of transportation to reduce your carbon footprint and enhance your daily commute. Another great luxury SUV of 2023 is the Volvo XC90, renowned for its exceptional road safety features. According to Lux Digital, it boasts a sophisticated and modern design, along with a spacious and premium interior packed with convenience and entertainment features. The XC90 is equipped with advanced safety technologies such as blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a collision avoidance system. Additionally, it features a plug-in hybrid engine that delivers both power and efficiency. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that prioritizes safety and eco-friendliness, the Volvo XC90 is an excellent choice. The Dembell Motorhome is like a luxurious Italian yacht on wheels. It's a stylish studio apartment on the move, designed without any annoying steps inside. The coolest feature is its garage at the back, which is big enough to park a car up to 4 meters long. Above the garage, there's a cozy bedroom. For those who prefer scooters or compact cars, they've even created smaller versions. Here's a fun fact. The world's largest cruise ship, the Icon of the Seas, was launched in 2023 and is about 95 meters longer than the Titanic. This colossal vessel can carry an astonishing 7,600 passengers and requires a crew of 2,350 to operate. The ship boasts 20 decks and features engines that run on both liquefied natural gas and distillate fuel, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Passengers will be entertained with a variety of amenities, including restaurants, sports fields, a water park, a theater, and even a 17-meter waterfall. For $1,850 per ticket, travelers are guaranteed a journey filled with entertainment and unforgettable memories.